today is Vlogmas day 3 and I have a lot of things I'm going to be showing you guys. But first, I ordered a heater online, but I'm going to be picking it up myself because I need it ASAP. The weather is getting too cold now. It's becoming very cold and it's even snowing already, but little by little. So baby girl needs to keep warm. So yeah, let's go pick it up together.
It's been a hell of a ride for every single moment. You were there by my side. Whenever I'm broken, you make me feel whole. Whenever I'm lonely, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, boy, that's where I call.
Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. So I just went to pick my heater now and I thought to show you guys what it looks like. We do have a central heater in the house anyways, in case you're wondering why I'm buying this heater. I'm going to be showing you guys the heaters we have around the house in a bit. Or let me just show you guys. So yeah, this is one of the heater. You can see how big it is. We have another one right there. It's just at the passage. Let me put on the line. That's it. So we have another one at the passage. That is it there. And then this is also a heater. And then I have in my room. So those are the ones we have in the parlor. We have this, that, and this. I also have in my room. My neighbor has hers too, but I just felt that I needed this one because at times we both need heating at different time of the day. At times, if I want to put on the heating, she might be feeling a little bit too hot. So I just thought to myself that let me just get a personal heater just in case she doesn't want a general heating at a particular time and I need to be warm or heated up, or I need to be warm, something like that. I could just easily turn this heater to face me or just turn it in my room. So that's why I went to get it. So this is what it looks like. Let me quickly read the manual and then test it out and see how it works. So this is what it looks like out of the box. This is an up close look. Okay, I finished reading the instructions. Now let me try it and see if it's gonna work or see how it works. I hate to try electrical things for the first time. I hate it. I don't know why. Oh, it's short. I don't like it. I don't like the fact that the wire is short. If this were to be in Nigeria, though, test it in the shop before I take it home. I don't like testing things myself. For safety reasons, please. So I'm gonna.
Whenever you doubt it, I'll be letting you know. Whoa, boy, I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic anytime that we're together. I'll make I just love you and hold you for my hand. Hold you for my hand, my hand, my hand.
Hi guys, good morning. I just did a Temu unboxing right now. Ordered a lot of things from Temu. It should have come like 5 days ago, but it's just coming now. I got this Christmas stuff. I wanted to do a Christmas shoot. I ordered this a while ago, but it's just coming. It's so cute. It has this Merry Christmas and Christmas trees on it. And then I ordered it together with this skirt. You know, Christmas theme to look like red and whatever. So yeah, that's it. It just came from Temu this morning. And then I ordered a Christmas cap. This wasn't the cap This wasn't what I saw on the app. Every other thing came exactly what I saw on the app, but this is not. In the app, it looks so solid and strong and fat, but it's looking so tiny here. But every other thing is okay, sha. So I'm not really mad at it. And then I ordered this winter boot. Yeah, it has a rubber sole. I hope it works. I hope it works for me as much as I'm thinking. Yeah, it's so lovely. I just tried it on and it's perfect. The fitting is perfect. And then I got another one too. So I got this too. It's kind of like leather, so that you can use it in snow, because snow is kind of like water, so it doesn't go bad on time. So yeah, so beautiful. The fitting on me is superb. And also got, I should have bought this thing plenty. I don't know why I ordered just one, because I just wanted to know how it looks like, and it looks good and thick. So maybe I'm going to order more of it. Also for the winter, yeah, so far so good. I love everything that I got. And also got this tripod, not tripod stand, this mannequin head. I got one a while back, but I got a smaller one. I didn't really look at the specification. I didn't really look at the details of what I was ordering for. So when it came, it was a very small one, and I needed a big one. I don't want to, when I'm making my hair on a mannequin head, I don't want to squat. I want to stand upright. So I got a taller one. And I also got some
over and over again. Yeah, my love is burning, babe. Feels like time is frozen and the night is for us. And we're alone.
eating dinner. Please come and join me.